third video, we're gonna build one step at a time. And the first thing that we'll do is we're gonna bring in the control power, which is the 24 volts. So we have 24 volts and we have roughly 200 milliamps when the unit is inhibited and the fan it's not turned on. We can see that the LED is on, the green LED, and so is over here on the isolator board, but the fan it's inhibited. At this point we're gonna monitor the reverse and the forward relays, and we have an output, and what we have here is we have TP4 is a reference, TP6 or delay angle, and TP4 is our output. So let's go ahead and power, Tony, provide 240. Now here we have the phase reference, which is a signal at 60 degrees. Here we have our delay angle, and we can see we don't have any output. It's again open loop. We are disconnected the CT. Right now the current demand has dropped to 170, and I'm gonna go ahead and ask Tony to bring in sig high, which is 0 to 10, and again it's open loop. And are we ready to fire, Tony? All right. So now we've cleared sig high. We've gone to 0.7. We're about to clear that. Now we can see that we are firing in the forward, so our relay has closed, the reverse still open, and we start to see output. So go ahead, Tony, and start increasing sig high slowly. There you go. So now we have our rectified output on the positive direction. And at some point we get 90% of the input, which is 240, and we're getting 25.3 amps of current. And again, the reverse is out, and I don't know if we need to check the, well, one of the things that we do is we go here, we would come to positions 3 and 4, and that's what I think you have it right now, and we have out of the DC shunt 2.5 volts, which is equivalent to 25.4 amps of current. If we were to draw more current, this will change from 0 to 10, and we are not getting anything from the CT because the CT is disconnected. Go ahead, Tony, you want to inhibit now? Please bring it back to 0. So now what we're going to do is, and again we're at 0, let's go ahead and switch polarity. Let's go ahead and enable, and let's do it again. So now we'll notice here that now the reverse has enable, has closed, not the forward, and here Tony is doing it again, 0 to 10, and we have now an output on the negative. And again we have the same, we have 25.2, and here we have 2.6 volts for the output, and we have 204, which is about 90% of 240. We notice that the demand on the power supply is 370 milliamps. Alright, so we've shown that we have the current feedback, we have the proper relay, and we get the output as long as we first inhibit and then switch polarity. Let's go ahead and inhibit, Tony. And this is the end of this third video. The fourth video now will show how to operate in closed loop.